YouTube?
Hi.
So I'm back again with another video. You already know. So as you can see, we have this huge bag right here. So I'm pretty sure y'all can guess what we're doing.
It's bomb.
Well, it's fun. This bag is huge. Like, I'm not even joking. But we're doing the seafood boil. Mukbang. I don't know how people say it, but yeah. So we're gonna do a seafood boil mukbang, and we're just gonna answer some questions on my Instagram. I told you guys to ask any questions you want to know. So we're just gonna choose a couple, and we're just gonna grub because we're starving. Like, I didn't even eat. I think I only ate one time today, so I'm hungry.
I only ate pizza today.
I was waiting for this, so like there's new things in here that I'm gonna try. That's how like hungry I am that I'll do that. Like,
Me too.
I don't care. But yeah, so we're gonna do that right now. So yeah, let's start the video. Alright, let's just start the video off with a question before we start getting in. You know, we can't go wrong. Alright, the first question is by Ray Easley 2. I'm not sure if it's a girl or guy, but they said, when was y'all first fight?
You want to go first?
Alright, so my first and only fight, you know, I'm not a bad girl, I'll just whatever. Anyways, so it was, I think it was the 9th or 10th. Yeah, it was the 9th or 10th.
I remember that. I
It was
wasn't there.
Yo, I freaking fought at a church. That's sad. That's embarrassing. Like, thinking about it now, like, what the fuck? Who fights at a church?
I have the video.
But yeah, I don't know.
Hold up.
I have the video too, but like the quality's trash as fuck. So I have to find like a good quality one from like someone else.
It's
But
like Android quality.
bad, like blurry type shit. But yeah, so that was my first and only fight.
My first fight was in 7th grade. It was just with this girl, because she tried to bully me and shit. So I was like, and I just socked her in her face, and I uppercut her.
Oh yeah, I remember that. She was funny.
Because she tried to come up with her friends and stuff. I'm like, boy, bye. I'll beat you up. And then we just fought. And the PE teacher was on her side and stuff like that. But yeah, it was crazy. Look at this food.
We got some lemon. They gave us some lime, lemon, whatever. I don't know.
You guys, this 13-year-old was driving us everywhere.
Them. I wasn't there.
Yeah, we was there. It was me and my sister.
Y'all, they didn't freaking give us gloves, but we're just gonna use these to grab it. Like, the bag's so huge, like, I don't even know what to grab. So we're gonna try whatever this is. I think this is a mussel, to be honest. I don't fucking know. This is our first time trying it.
How do you eat it?
Huh? Oh shit.
How do you eat it?
So we just have our separate plates right here because we want to just dig in, you know? So let's try this mussel out.
I'm putting lemon on mine.
Yeah, me too, because I don't know what this is gonna taste like. Alright. Damn, this lemon or lime ain't got none.
Wait, no, don't try it yet.
Yeah, you try it. This is how it looks like, y'all. Oh my god, I'm scared.
Mmm.
I'm shook.
I'm so shook. It looks disgusting, but it's actually good. That was bomb. With the lemon too.
Whoa. I'm shook as fuck because we don't really like that stuff, you know? Like, I like oysters, but I wouldn't chew it at all. And I don't think you don't like oysters, huh?
She ate a octopus before.
No?
Yes, she did. At the
Octopus?
Chinese buffet.
I tried it, but that shit creeped me out. I tried like the little piece. And that shit, no, that's a no-no. I feel like I can't eat an octopus because just like the little bump thingies, or like, what are they called? The little, I forgot what the bugs are called. But like that.
The eyes?
No,
Magic.
like the little, like, you know what I'm talking about? They just creep me out, and then like the texture is weird. So this is a shrimp. You just
The eye's creepy. It looks at you.
So we got this at Star Crab. This shit's bomb. Like, they did a bomb.
This is my first time ever trying from there.
The freaking sauce is bomb. All right,
Bomb.
let's find another question real quick.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
This is bomb.
Okay. I'm trying to find questions that like they're not like, you know, already asked because you all want to know the juicy shit, you know. This one's funny. So Zoe is an noob 831 said, "Do you guys fight over a charger?" I'm sorry, that was just funny, but we do.
Yeah.
Like now we be having our own shit, but like even when like one of our shits lost or is not in the same place we left it at, we be like, "Who the fuck stole my shit?" and this and that. We be
We be telling them, "You stole my shit. I know you did."
and the next thing you know we find it, we're like,
We're like,
okay.
it was there the whole time.
Let's try this. I think this is a clam,
Like now.
but the mussel was bomb though.
I see you eat the whole thing.
Yeah. Then you put some lime on it. I almost get out this seat. No?
It tastes like poop. And you know how when someone poops, it tastes like that texture. Though I never tried it. Okay. I don't like it. It's like mushy. Mmm.
Ew.
Sorry guys, that shit was nasty.
It's like some weird shit comes out of it. It's like very mushy when it comes out. That I'll pass. I will pass on the clams.
Me too.
No.
It's like
The
mushy.
mussels was bomb. Yeah, because we don't like a weird texture in our mouth. Like, fuck no. You know? Oh, it should look creepy. It's gonna get you.
Oh, you get the inside.
Mmm. Okay. No, you don't need to tell.
Wait, you don't need to tell?
You don't need to tell. Oh.
Is it? Am I doing it?
Yeah, just bite it and then pull it out.
OMG. Look at that. How you supposed to eat that?
All right, let's go with 2 more questions.
I'm still struggling on this.
Back you ho 0 simp says, "Are you gonna have octopus?" No, I don't even think they sell octopus there, to be honest.
No.
24 Daisy _ said, "When is your birthdays?" Mine passed. It was March 8th,
October the 30th. It's like next to Halloween. Crazy, huh?
a day before Halloween. Huh?
Oh, yeah. What's next to it?
Huh?
It's next to it.
Yeah. Someone said, "D Higo 13." This isn't appropriate, but I don't care. Well, I don't know. You might care, but I don't know.
What is it?
They said, "Are you a virgin? Or what age did you lose your virginity?"
Wait, do I have to say mine?
What?
My answer?
You could just choose. I mean, I don't care. I'm 20 years old, but
Wait, can I even say it on it?
who cares? You're
No, I'm not.
I'm not one either.
Everybody in the world knows now.
Girl, huh?
It's fine.
Don't tell my mom.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
My mom's be like, what the
My mom's
heck?
gonna be the first viewer.
She's gonna be like, I'm gonna put you on birth control.
But like, you know, I mean, if you're young, because I know I have a lot of young viewers, don't have, okay?
Until
Don't
you're
do it.
21.
Yeah, do it till like you're mature. Just
Yeah.
please, okay?
I said,
Because there's hella young people are getting pregnant. I'm like, bitch, I'm scared. What the fuck? But I don't judge no one, so yeah. But yeah, some Ashley 1. It had like a 1 in it. EYY _ says, "If you had a free concert ticket, front row seat, whose concert are you going to?" So mine will obviously be
I already know it.
Queen, because I was gonna go, but then like the whole COVID shit happened, and yeah.
I would want to see Justin Bieber.
Just no, I just had like I had a flashback right now. I feel like we already did this. Like we already knew we were gonna do this. It's weird.
I'm the one that gave the idea, guys.
This shit is expensive though.
So today we were supposed to go fight, right? And guess what? The girl didn't even come out. Didn't come out. Because we're at a park. Crazy.
She blocked him.
Blocked her. Oh, my sister's best friend was in a fight.
Casheen XRXA says, when did y'all start social media? I low-key started social media since I was 13.
I think I was like 12. I was young.
I'm not even lying.
I was like in 8th, 9th grade. No, like 8 years old or 9. But I had a phone when I was young.
Oh, did you really?
Yep.
My first phone was a flip phone.
Mine wasn't. It was like the Samsung ones where you type. And guess what my dumbass did? I asked my neighbor, I was like, can I get your number? But I didn't think it was bad at the time.
Alright, so next one is Yareli.5100 says dream job. By the way, I love your videos. Thanks, boo, for liking my videos. Keep watching them because they be juicy. But my dream job is, I don't even know how to open this crap, to be honest. How the fuck are we gonna open this shit?
Cause with a knife.
We need scissors. Let me eat my corn.
I want to be a nurse when I grow up.
Oh yeah, I want to be a freaking a teacher.
Oh yeah.
And I want to be a crime scene investigator.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go to college because I'm gonna graduate early.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because my teacher told me. Because like I have a lot of points.
Damn, she's spicy.
Look.
Sorry for the noise in the back. It's my brothers. They're just gamers, you know. Like they have no lives. Like they literally play all day.
The juice is the best part.
Mm-hmm. You should bust him. We have a question, and it is, who's your crush?
I have.
Wait. Before we should be saying what she says, because you already know mine from like one of the previous videos, because someone asked that. But I guess it's different for her for this video, so that's why we're asking. We're asking the question again because she has a new answer.
Yep. And I actually do have a crush. It's somebody in my class, but they liked me, you know.
So you guys like each other?
Yeah, we like each other, but like, yeah. Should I say his name?
No.
He'll be like, you said my name on YouTube? Yeah, I did.
Or people who know you, they're gonna be like, oh my
god. I know. They're gonna send it to me. And it's okay. I don't care because I already told him. Because he told me he liked me first, and I told him I liked him back.
Wait, which guy is it?
Well, I like 2 people.
Oh shit.
Well, I don't even know who to choose.
Well, you don't have to choose now, just like.
I know. And they're in my class, bro. In my class. And like, all of them, not in like, I hope they don't see the video, but they like me. And the class, because I'm the only girl, and they all like me. But except like 2 people didn't like me, but the rest you do. Crazy.
Can you bring me a napkin? But yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed it. So like, comment,
subscribe,
share, and subscribe. But yeah, subscribe.
And follow us too.
Yeah, follow us. And so yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.